गोंयांत सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवल व्हडा उमेदीन चालू आसा. पणजे वेगवेगळ्या सुवातींचेर कलेच्या संबंधित वेगवेगळ्यो कलाकृती सादर केल्ल्यो पळोवपाक मेळटा. पणजे आर्ट पार्कात सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवलाच्या वतीन वेगवेगळ्यो एक्टिविटीज दवरल्यात. जातूंत पेंटिंग करप, वेगवेगळे खेळ अशा तरेच्या एक्टिविटींचो आस्पाव आसा. सेरेंडिपिटी आर्ट फेस्टिवलाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान शाळेंतल्या विद्यार्थ्यांनी आर्ट पार्कात भरिल्ल्या ह्या आर्ट उपक्रमात वांटो घेतलो.
It was a great experience coming to the Serendipity Art Festival. We first went to the poetry section where we learnt about limerick, and there was Aarti ma'am who taught us about it.
I feel it was a very nice experience. We learned many new things. I would love to come here again. Like, it just makes me feel more like myself and learn new things here.
Serendipity Art Festival is a good exposure for the students. We got our students, fine art students, for this art festival. It is an enriching experience wherein art, culture and the tradition is on the same note. My subject is actually maths, but I can correlate it with art very well over here. When we entered over here, we never thought that it is going to be like this. But I am surely and actually damn sure about the students that they have enjoyed it. They have related to that daily life. Our total number of students are 44 students. We have gone through a number of workshops now, but we have tried to cover few so that we can understand in depth. So overall, it was a good exposure.